Hi, I'm sure many times we receive an email wherein we are addressed in the to section and we are not supposed to reply, or else we are addressed in the CC section where there is absolutely no need. This unnecessarily wastes our time in managing the emails. If this happens with you, then I'm sure that this video will certainly help you answer a very important question: how to effectively manage to CC and BCC in email and look professional. So how do you decide which recipient should be in the to section, who should be in the CC, or who should be in the BCC section? Well, the answer has more to do with email etiquettes than data protection. So let me explain you this a little more in detail. So the recipient in the to section is the one who is either supposed to take the required action or at least reply to your email. Now here I'd like to give you a very important tip. Avoid having multiple email IDs, that is not more than one or two email ID in the to section, so that it avoids the confusion of who is going to reply to your mail. The recipients in the CC section are basically like FYI, for your information. So they are neither supposed to reply to your mail nor are they supposed to take any action on the same. And many a times this is used only to show the recipient that other important people are well aware of this mail. So you should mark only those people in CC whom you consider should be in the loop of the discussion. Also, discourage having many recipients in CC. At the same time, ensure to cover the most important ones related to that discussion. Another important tip: many senior managers put their Outlook settings in a way wherein they receive only emails in which their email ID is in to section, and all other mails wherein they are in CC automatically goes to another folder. This helps them prioritize their emails as they can glance the CC folder in a relatively leisure time. Third and less frequently used section is the BCC section. You'll be surprised to know that using a BCC section in a corporate environment is considered highly unethical, since it shows that you are hiding as to whom you are sending this email to, and hence it is largely discouraged. Well, if that's the case, then why do we even have the BCC field? Well, the answer is very simple. BCC is used in a scenario wherein you have to send an email to multiple or larger audience and simultaneously discourage receiving an email or a reply to everyone in the list. But if you ever have to use the BCC field, you must ensure that you mention the same in the body of the email along with the distribution list name. I would highly recommend if you could put the same before the salutation. I hope this video was very useful, and I'm sure that you would certainly have a lot of questions related to different scenarios in email writing. If that's the case, I would request you to kindly write your questions in the comment box below, and I would certainly respond to all your questions. Thank you. Namaste. Learning in 5 minutes.